Hi sir, good afternoon. Sorry, medyo sabat dito sa mga kaya na mga kalingawan sa silingon sir. And this is my video sir. So, we'll start to problem summary. Dakas Entrepreneurship Club sells custom notebooks. So, maligo sila notebook sir. Cost per notebooks 25 pesos. Selling price per notebooks 45 pesos. Fixed expenses 1,200. Materials, permit, and table rent. So ang total gid nga magasto is 1,200. We are asked to find A total profit if they sells 60 notebooks. Kung pilang maganon siya makabaligya sila sa sinta ka notebook. B. Total profit if they sells 150 notebooks. Kung pilay ginan siya kung makabaligya sila 150 ka notebooks. Break even points of number of notebooks. No need, so profit 0. So step by step solution. Step 1. Define the function. Cost function. Cost is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. Cx is equal to 25x plus 1,200. Revenue function Rx is equal to 45x. Profit function Px is plus Rx minus Cx. Px is equal to 45x minus 25x plus 1,200. So ang answer na is Px is equal to 20x minus 1,200. At step 2, profit for 60 notebook. So pilay kung ano yung siya if makabaligya sila sa isang notebook. P60 is equal to 260 divided by 20 open parenthesis 60 close parenthesis minus 1,200. And ang answer ana is P60 is equals to 1,200 minus 1,200. So minus ni mo 1,200 minus ni mo 1,200 is equals to 0. So kung makabaligya kaday ka og 60 ka notebook is wala ka ginansya, 0 imong profit. Step 3, profit for 150 notebooks. So pila kay profit da 150 ka notebooks ang mabaligya. P150 equals 20 open parenthesis 1 over 150 minus 1,200. So 150 times 20 is equals to 3,000. So 3,000 minus 1,200 pila is equal to 1,800. So kung makabaligya tag 150 ka notebook natay profit nga 1,800 pesos. Step 4, break even point. So break even point Px is equal to 0. 20x minus 1,200 is equal to 0. 20x is equal to 1,200. X is equal to 60. The club must move 60 notebooks to break even. So final answer. Question profit 60. So sa profit nga 60 kung makabaligya kag 60 ka notebook is wala kay ginansya. Ang answer na profit 150 notebooks. Kung makabaligya kag 150 ka notebooks is nakay ginansya nga 1,800. Break even point is 16 notebooks. So mora na, and thank you so much sir for understanding, and salamat kayo sa pagsabot sir. Busy ko sir. Kinatid ko yung mga trabaho sa mo. Salamat sir.